Hey folks, my name is Ravish and welcome back to another video in the series of DevOps Project with GCP. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a GCP account. Alright, so these are the things that we're gonna do. So the first thing is we'll go to https console.cloud.google.com. The next thing is create or use an existing Gmail account. I will create a new account so that you can create it from scratch. Fill a few details, you have to accept the terms before you move on. Then you have to give the credit card or the debit card details because that's very important for the identity purpose. The next step would be fill more details about interest, things that you will do on GCP. They're going to ask you a few questions. Just click them, select them and move forward. And after that, start creating stuff for this project. All right. But before diving further into the demo part, kindly subscribe the channel because that would really support me to create more content like this. All right. So without further ado, let's dive right into the demo part. Okay. So go to your favorite browser. I'm typing https console.cloud.google.com. Hit enter. So if you want to use your old email ID, you can use it from here. But right now I'm going to create a new account so that you can understand how you can do in the first place. Okay, so create an account. And for my personal usage, if you want to go for work or my business, it's going to ask you a lot of things like PAN details and a lot of other stuffs. And if you go for my child, then it's going to ask you a parent account for that. So in order to stay away from that hassle, you can click on for my personal use. Okay, here you can give a name GCP project. Okay, for now I'm going to give it like this. Click on next. Select any day. I mean, it does not matter. Anything would be fine. Click on next. So use your existing email. It'll again ask you, but I will get a Gmail address instead. Okay. So it's going to suggest you a few things. GCP project 67, GCP projects 45@gmail.com. But I want to create my own Gmail ID. Okay. So I will have to give a name over here. So right now, I will just type GCP DevOps Project @gmail.com. Okay. Oh, I do not have to use Gmail because it's already there. Copy it and paste it over somewhere so that you can copy it for the handy reasons. Okay. It's going to ask a password. I'm going to give a password and then click on confirm password. Okay. You can either click on show password to check. I'm not going to do that right now. Click on next. Recovery email, you can give any email ID. It's important because if you lose the account, you will have to give this email ID in order to get the control again. Okay. If you want to skip it, click on skip. Otherwise, click on next. You can skip this step as well if you do not want to use your phone number, but I will give it so that I can use it later. I'm going to blur that. Click on next. Send. So it is going to send me a 6-digit code on my phone number and I'll verify that. It can take up to 1 or 2 minutes. So I'll just quickly wait. Okay, I've got it. Click on verify. Perfect. You can click on yes, I'm in, or either on skip, get more from your number. I'll just skip it for now. Perfect. So this account has been created with GCP project as the name and GCP DevOps Project @gmail.com with the recovery mobile number is this. Click on next. It's going to ask you a few things for privacy and terms. Just scroll down, click on more options. Scroll down, you can read about it, add personalization, save my YouTube history. If you want to get the occasional reminders about these settings, you can use that. I'll for now click on I agree. Okay. So your account has been created. Congratulations. Just select the country where are you in. If you're in the US, select US. If you're in India, select India. Agree and continue. Perfect. So your account has been created, but there are a few things that you need to do before you start using it. On the right, you can see start free, right? But read this first. Start your free trial with $300 in credit. Don't worry, you won't be charged if you run out of credits. Okay. Click on start free. It'll ask you a few questions. You can type on other if you're a freelancer or something. Click on terms of service, or you can give it any other thing like what kind of business you do have. Click on continue. What is account type? This account type is I have an individual account type. Okay, you have to give a card number over here. Okay, so I've entered all my details over here. Obviously I'm going to blur that. Scroll down. It is asking for the tax information or something. Try clicking on start my free trial, but it's asking for the option. Okay, doesn't matter if you want to go for registered or individual, it's fine. If you want to go for unregistered, you can do that as well. Just click on start my free trial, and that is all. Okay, so it's going to ask you a security code which is written at the back, which is also known as CVV. So I'm going to do that. Click on continue. When you click continue, a new browser window shall appear where you will verify your info. After you are done, you may see a small charge to a credit card. This is temporary and will be refunded. Okay, click on continue. So I've got an OTP. I'm going to fill that. I'll just verify that and it'll set up the billing. I think that's all. Finishing project out. Perfect. So this is done. So it's going to deduct 2 rupees from your account and it's going to give you back. So do not worry about that. So what best describes your organization, your needs? It's done. What brought you to Google Cloud? Learn more, explore. That's fine. Next. What are you interested in doing with the? You are interested in storage backup. You're interested in storage backup. You're interested in virtual machines. You are interested in a lot of things. You can select that. Click on next. What best describes your role? You can select anything. For me, it would be DevOps engineer, and done. This is done. So welcome GCP project, which is the name that I gave. You are in free trial. You are working on the project, my first project. What happens to when trial ends? You won't be auto charged once the trial ends. However, your resources are marked for deletion and may be lost immediately. Activate your full account anytime during your trial to avoid losing your resources. So for the time being, you do not have to activate your full account, because probably in $300 credit, which is roughly 24,790 rupees in Indian money right now, you can use that. All right, expires September 12, 2023, so which is roughly 3 to 4 months from now. Okay, so I think folks, this is done. If you go to Google Cloud, if you click over here, let's say navigation menu, we'll go to dashboard, and you can see a lot of stuff over here. Okay, so we are going to use that and we are going to make changes. So I hope you folks have understood how to create a free Google account. And if you need any other help, if you did not understand anything, feel free to comment below and we will address that. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.